In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all the members on your Slack workspace. So if you'd like to see or manage any of the members on your Slack, then you need to first go ahead and open a list of all the members that are on your Slack workspace. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Slack workspace. And from here, go ahead and click on the drop down arrow just next to your Slack account name. And from this, go ahead and choose Tools and Settings. And under Tools and Settings, scroll down until you see Manage Members. If you click on this, it will open a new tab. And from this, you'll see a list of all the members plus their current status. Now, should you want to manage or edit any details of any of these members, and you can do this by clicking on the three dots next to the name. And here you can either edit profile, change account type, as well as deactivate the account. So that's how you can find a list of all members on your Slack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.